Hi, thank you very much for joining us. Welcome back. This is our eighth lecture on UE economic substance regulations, and we are discussing relevant activities. Out of the nine relevant activities, four we have already discussed, and today we are discussing headquarters business. It has been written in the guide very clearly that if the licensee is providing services to foreign group companies and through these services licensee is responsible for the overall success or for the overall performance of the group, then it will be considered that licensee is providing headquarter business services. It will always be assumed that licensee is responsible for the overall success or the overall performance of the group if the licensee is providing senior management services and licensee is responsible for the control of the risk related group companies out of UAE, or the licensee is providing substantive advice to control the risk related to foreign group companies. Moreover, they said it doesn't matter what is the status of the company in the group. Might be company in the group is a parent company, might be holding company, might be subsidiary, might be associate, might be branch. We need to look into this. What is the role of the related company? Either the related company is providing services to a foreign group company and related company is responsible for the overall success and overall performance of the group, then it will be assumed the respective company will be subject to ESR regulation under the headquarter businesses. They said duplicate reporting is not required if the licensee is doing banking, insurance, investment, fund management services, lease finance businesses, shipping businesses, distribution and service center businesses along with the headquarter businesses. So licensee will not be required to satisfy the test under the headquarter business if the licensee is providing these services. These are the core income generating activities related to headquarter business: taking relevant management decisions in UAE, incurring operating expenditures on behalf of the group entities in UAE, coordinating with the group entities by sitting in UAE. If these conditions are being satisfied, then we will say that licensee is satisfying the core income generating test. These are the regulatory authorities: Ministry of Economy, competent authority in the free zone, or competent authority in the financial free zone. These are the two examples which has been given in the guide. In the first example, PLC ULLC, this company is providing senior management services as well as companies giving a direction, companies ultimately managing the risk by sitting in UAE, so it will be considered that the company is providing headquarter business services. In the second example, they said there is a one group. This group has headquarters in UK. This group has one subsidiary in KSA. This group has another company in UAE. This UAE company is in contact with the KSA subsidiary for the performance of the services, but KSA subsidiary is taking the directions and follow the strategic decisions by the headquarters. So it will not be considered that FGH UAE is providing headquarter services. The reason is subsidiary, which is a group company which is based in KSA, this subsidiary is not taking any management services, not following any directions from the UAE company. So it will be considered that KSA subsidiary. So it will be assumed that UAE company is not providing headquarter business services. Thank you very much for joining us.